Hey everyone! Did you know that the Iran Mall is the largest mall in the world? It's pretty mind-blowing, right? In this video, you'll explore the fascinating engineering and architectural marvel of Iran Mall. The project faced challenges, especially due to economic sanctions. These sanctions made it tough to import materials and technology. Imagine coordinating hundreds of workers and suppliers under these restrictions. The design aimed to incorporate local culture and heritage. In the end, they created something truly spectacular. Spanning over 1.5 million square meters, the Iran Mall isn't just about shopping. It has an astonishing array of features, from luxury brands to local artisans. There are cultural spaces showcasing Iranian art, a massive indoor amusement park, and even a cinema. It's an entire experience designed to cater to the community's social and cultural needs. The grand opening was a monumental occasion, with people from all walks of life gathering to witness it. It instantly became a hotspot for shoppers and had a significant impact on the local economy. To wrap it all up, the journey of the Iran Mall is nothing short of incredible. It's more than just a shopping destination. It's a testament to the resilience and creativity of the Iranian people. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it. Share your thoughts in the comments below and check out our other content exploring amazing structures around the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.